Hey everybody, welcome to this Cars and Zebras Quickie. You might recognize this 1969 Chevrolet Nova because it was in a previous Cars and Zebras video. However, I have to admit that I misspoke in that video. I said that it was an L78. But in reviewing the footage, I finally noticed those delicious, succulent aluminum heads atop that 396. And it was at that point I realized that this car is a perfect substitute for Viagra because it is an L89. And for those of you not aware, the L89 is simply the L78 High Performance 396, except that it had aluminum heads. The L89 is very rare because it really didn't add any more horsepower to the car. I mean, it did lighten the front end about 50 pounds, but that was really about it. But here's the tricky part. We know that 311 L89s were put into compact Chevrolets in 1969. However, it is suspected that most, if not all, were put into Camaros, and there really haven't been any well-documented cases of an L89 put into a Nova. Now, is it possible? Sure, definitely possible. So I guess just take from that what you will. Anyway, I'm gonna do another full-length featured video on this specific car in the future, but this is a quickie, so let's just get to the quick and dirty. As I've already said, since this car is an L89, it had 375 horsepower at 5,600 RPM, which was extremely underrated, more like 425 horsepower, and 415 pound-feet of torque at 3,600 RPM. And with that L89 package, you got a lot of other great goodies, including an aluminum intake manifold, a forged crank, forged pistons, forged rods, of course the aluminum heads, and a compression ratio of 11:1. Directing all of that power is a TH400 3-speed automatic. It features 410 gears in the rear, and it's coming in at a weight of 3,538 pounds. Overall, this Nova L89 is just straight up nasty. It is a nasty little car, and I love it. But let's check out its opponent, shall we? And if that L89 Nova is a great alternative to Viagra, well then this car is a straight up substitute for intercourse. Okay, I might be blowing that out of proportion just a little bit. Or am I? Because this car is a 1970 Dodge Challenger RT 440 6-pack, and it has me 100% torqued right now. This is definitely one of the quintessential muscle cars of the era. We're talking 440 cubic inches, and when you drop the hammer, you've got 6 delicious barrels of carburation opening up. It was rated 390 horsepower at 4,700 RPM. And you want to know that torque rating? 490. 490 pound-feet of torque at 3,200 RPM. Unbelievable. That is ground shaking. Guaranteed, if you are around this car when it fires up, you will have instant evacuation of your bowels. Yes, that will happen. Wear a diaper. The 440 pack had a compression ratio of 10.5:1. The transmission in this car that is tasked with handling all of that power is a 3-speed automatic, of course being a torque flight, and it's got 391 gears situated in an extremely robust Dana 60 rear end, and this car is coming in at 3,642 pounds. And oh, do I like this matchup. What a couple of great cars. And don't worry you guys, the Challenger is definitely going to have its own full-length feature video in the future, but for now, let's see how it does on the drag strip. Thanks for checking out this Cars and Zebras Quickie. I do appreciate you watching, and of course, I'll see you at the next one.